Hello guys, in this video I'll show you a website which offers you free unlimited access to AI models. The website name is Pokee AI, P-O-K-E-E-A-I. If you directly search this on Google, the very first website which comes, this is a website and it's very simple. You register on this website, click on sign up and you can continue with your Google account. So it doesn't take too much time to sign up. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to the dashboard area. So it has a very simple interface similar to Claude, Gemini, GPT, Quen, DeepSeek, Kimi K3. So you click on continue. Just fill out the options to complete the account. So now it is setting up your account right here. So as you can see, we are inside the free plan. They do have the pro plan as well. You can click the upgrade button. So it is setting up your workspace and dashboard. So it has all the models. We have Claude Opus, Claude Fable, Claude Sonnet. You also have Gemini, GPT, Quen, DeepSeek. So the interface looks something like this as you see. You exactly tell what sort of application you want to generate, and from here you can select whatever model that you want to. By default, GPT 5.6 is selected. So right here you specify a message. You will see automatically it respond to you. How can I help you today? So let's suppose I want to build a image to PDF web app in browser. So right here I exactly tell what sort of application I want to generate. So now you will see it's very fast. So you can see that it's building a single file fully client-side image to PDF web app with drag and drop functionality, reordering page size options, and a polished UI. So once it finishes, it will give you a notification that your application is completed. So they do have the pro plan as well. As you see, it is writing it. So you can see that in the free plan, it gives you around 500 credits, which is more than enough to get started. The pro plan $19, which gives you around 2,000 credits. So as you see, it built out this entire image to PDF application. So you can copy the overall code and you can even download the code as well. So the application is generated. You can even edit the code as well, directly edit. So now all the code has been successfully downloaded, as you see, image to PDF. So this is your application. Image to PDF is successfully created. So this is a really nice platform, Pokee AI, if you are looking forward for a alternative. So it's a free alternative. You can try out all the APIs. They also offer you a API platform as well. So once you are logged in, you also have the option to create a free API key. So they also offer you a API platform as well. So you just give it a name and create your API key. So this will be the base URL as you see that, and this will be your API key. So both these things, and if you see the credits, how much credits are remaining, so you have 300 credits now. You can even buy more credits as well. So you can even call the API. As you see, it's giving you the full example. So this is their full documentation, so you can actually see this example, Python example. So here you will paste the API key. This is the base URL. So you will make the request, write a short launch plan. So in this easy way, you can also call their API as well. So they have their free API key and they give you around 500 credits, free credits whenever you sign up. So they have their own console. platform that is, this is a base URL that you will see, and this is your API key. So definitely check out this platform, guys, Pokee AI. I recently just heard about this on a YouTube video just 2 weeks ago, and it's a really nice platform. Definitely check this out.